challenge.
Soda burping?
So yes.
This what y'all doing?
Yup.
And you might do it too.
So we're gonna see how much it is that we could drink in about. I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes because we don't need a long video. So, Dean, you know you can glance in if you need to, right? Just so you know. So we're going to.
Hold on, let me try it real quick. Okay, I see what you say. Just with my hands twicking it.
Yes, just so you know.
Okay.
So anyway, me and Dean haven't drinking anything in a couple of hours because we wanted to make sure that we were ready for this. So
Dad,
we're going to see.
Dad, can you see me?
Coca-Cola makes me burp.
Can you see me?
So let's see what happens.
Can you see me,
we can
Daddy?
see you.
Dad, can you see me?
Dean.
Yes, I can see you.
Until you can't.
I'm
Fresh
gonna take a whole
bottle of soda. Y'all just heard me crack it, so y'all know there was no shakes, no glank, no nothing. I'm going to start out of the cup. Little Dean's going to start out the bottle. So. I'm going to just fill my cup up. Okay. And I'm going to let him start with the bottle, which he doesn't know. It's quite dangerous.
Aha!
Don't drop it.
Don't
And if I
drop
need a
that
refill,
So you already started guzzling, Dean.
damn, he started
So,
before me. But anyway, that's cool.
But my thing is this, right? So
sorry, it's a race.
So I get no soda.
No,
okay.
it's not, Mommy.
Is that foul? I come on in.
You ain't give Daddy a chance.
I come on in from work. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what kind of challenge we doing?
No.
I come on in for work. I'm like, what kind of challenge y'all doing? First thing she gonna say to me is, oh, just get the camera. Then it's a soda challenge, but y'all drinking all the soda.
No, I don't think I'm
How
going to be
dirty
able
is
to
that?
do this.
You could drink after your son.
Ew, no, he's not eating my bottle. This one is my whole bottle.
Already, y'all. I told y'all. I'm not a soda drinker, so we shall see.
Oh my god. I don't think we're both going to win. I don't think we're both going to win.
Wait a minute.
It's not about drinking it. It's just, they just want to hear you burp. Natural burps from soda. And Coca-Cola makes you burp.
My first burp. Second.
That don't sound right, Dean.
They was real. See? If they real. That is so funny because he'll now burp. Alright, keep on drinking. Keep on drinking.
Drink soda. Drink soda.
Keep on drinking. It makes you burp.
I'm gonna have to get on Dino because you ain't doing no burp.
Let's just get 15 minutes.
That's because I guzzle mine down so fast. I'm already like halfway done. I'm down here already.
Any burps for us?
Mommy, no.
No burps for us, Dino?
It's not a race.
No, it's not a race. I'm getting more when I'm done. I was just saying I was drinking so fast. They just want to hear me burp.
Hello, can I get your order, please? Can I order a sandwich?
Being funny.
She's going to try.
There we go.
Yo, he trying to be like me at the drive-thru.
More talking. Less talking, more drinking.
Yo, he trying to be funny, dude. That's a little one. You forget that I know how.
5 minutes into the race.
No. It's not a race.
In our race, we're just seeing how many burps we can get out in about 10 minutes.
Whoa.
I told you drinking out the bottle was worse.
Whoa.
funny.
I said 15.
What?
I said 15
We
minutes.
think you should have gotten on this. That would have been funny.
I would have, but y'all just decided to do it.
You want his cup?
Nah, I'm good.
Oh.
That was a liar, but
He beat me. He's beating me, y'all. Damn. Yo, he burping so much, I am crying. I can't even drink. I'm about ready to leave the straw alone. It's hard to drink it.
I beat him on me.
That's because his belly is getting full faster.
Dino. Just relax, man.
Right, he tried to go ahead with that 2 liter.
No, that's not good
Alright,
enough.
that was
That's
fake.
not good enough.
No, I
No,
didn't.
no.
I tried to burp it out real fast.
I have to watch you, man. You sitting over there cheating?
Mm-hmm.
It's hard for you to cheat, though. Yeah, that's a real one. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I'm beating you.
I ain't getting that many. I think it's because he drink it out the bottle. I'm stuck.
Last one. Whoever can burp good.
Can't get him out. You gotta keep drinking. So you probably getting stuffed already, huh?
Good one.
I'm a good
Right, he
burper.
tearing me up.
I'm a good burper.
I'm all out. Oh, excuse me, because yes, my stomach's stuffed. So
Am I still
there's the
beating
burps
you?
Coming. Yes. My burps weren't half as good
I
as
ain't
yours.
stopping. There's no stopping me.
Let me try yours. Let me see if I drink it out the bottle.
The big one.
Let me see if I drink it out the bottle.
It's torture.
Oh, there they go.
This is revenge for taking my candy.
What candy?
It's my
What
candy.
is he talking about? Yo, we almost done this.
You
soda.
fired me for my candy.
Oh, for the Chico stick?
Yeah.
I'm really stuffed.
8:43 into it. I ain't hearing too many more burps.
All right, let's see.
You heard a lot of burps. I got a lot of burps. Give me it.
Mm-mm.
I'm a dress drinker.
Oh, gosh. Y'all feel bloated. I don't know how he doing it. I can't even drink no more, y'all. It might be old age, because I don't drink too much soda. You can keep on taping him, because he got me beat.
You're okay. You'll do the
Something will come out.
Okay.
Something will come out because my stomach's stuffed.
I beat you already.
Oh, there it goes.
I beat you already.
That's right. Mine's come slow.
Okay.
We almost at our time.
Yep,
You can let
we
him
hit
keep
our
going.
time.
Let him keep going. If he think he can do it, let him go until he's stuffed. Dino, you gonna throw up? He's throwing up.
Are you kidding me?
Ain't no you kidding me. Here.
It's all in bed.
Listen, just wipe your face.
It just came out, but you give
I
up.
cannot do
You
it anymore.
can't drink no more.
I beat you.
You did.
I beat
All you did was spit a little soda back out your mouth because you was
Yeah,
done.
but that's cool. But he can't take no more because it gets to your stomach after a while.
It's good though. That's good.
But we did a great job. Thank y'all.
I'm go down and I'm like,
Why you shouting people out in our video though? They gonna be looking at her page. Sight. Anyway,
well, that's my favorite.
like we always say,
She's better than you. She's better
what's
than
our
you.
slogan, Dino?
Oh, Daddy, I got your jacket messed up.
It's alright, we'll wash it. What do we say?
Thank you.
No.
I beat you.
Okay, he's trying to roast
First
me.
time.
I thought it wasn't a challenge.
For the first time.
It wasn't a race at first, but now that I got beat, it was a race, I guess. But you know, that's my
That's too
baby
funny.
boy,
That's
so I'm
too
gonna give it
funny.
to
That's
him.
too
I'm gonna
funny.
give it
That's
to
too
him.
funny.
Don't worry, you're still gonna do the gingerbread with me.
Yeah, you're right. So anyway, thank you guys.
I beat her so good, she always sick.
What? You got sick.
Hey, no hitting.
Yeah, you ain't supposed to hit your mom.
Okay, so anyhow, is that it? Is that it? We out? We
Yeah,
out?
y'all. Dino Earl, I'm gonna tell one of them. He threw up.
Can you give me that really quick?
You better get them
Give
hands
me
off
it
me.
really quick.
What?
12 minutes into
What?
it.
You feel like
Give
you gonna
that
throw
soda
up?
to me.
No,
Just
you
gonna
ain't
keep
getting no
going?
more soda.
Okay.
I
You can't.
still beat
You better take this just in case you got
So,
throw up.
anything you gotta say? Anything you gotta say?
See, I beat you.
I give it to my little man. My 9-year-old beat me in a soda competition.
I'm
He's still burping.
winning.
That's what y'all want to hear.
I
This is
always
Philly's
win.
funny family. So, if y'all like what y'all see, comment down below. If y'all have any ideas or anything
I got
y'all
it
want us
cleaned up
to
down in
do,
the gingerbread house.
make sure
On
you
YouTube.
hit that like button.
Maybe not on YouTube.
Share to your social media. Share to your Instagram. Share to your Snapchat. Share to your YouTube. Share. Let everybody know about Philly's funny family.
So up in here.
We'll be having we just hit our 200. If
I'm gonna
we
go
can
clean
hit
up.
I'm gonna say anywhere between
I got
400 and
it.
500 subs
Oh,
within
my
the
Lord
next
Jesus.
maybe
I
2
spilled-
weeks.
Stay still.
The
Stay
water.
still.
It's okay, baby. It's only water. Stay there for a minute. Stay still for a minute.
I can't. I
We're
just threw up on myself. I need to.
Okay,
but
so
we're about to end our video. Hold on 1 second. We're gonna be having another giveaway, and y'all know how we are with our giveaways, y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all what we giving away, but when we hit, I'm gonna say 400. If I get the 400 subs by New Year,
Those burps felt good.
y'all gonna get. It's gonna be We're gonna give three giveaway. We're gonna have 3 prizes: first, second, and third, and we'll pick them out of a hat. So you have to, again, follow me on my social medias. You can DM me on Instagram. You can leave a comment, because I get my comments. Trust me, nice ones only. Leave a comment down below. Say how you're liking the videos.